What is Cornell Lab of Ornithology citizen science? Have you ever wondered how ordinary people can make a difference in bird conservation? The Cornell Lab of Ornithology citizen science is a fantastic way for everyone to get involved. This initiative invites people from all backgrounds to observe and record information about birds in their local areas. Imagine being part of a global effort that gathers data from hundreds of thousands of participants, from bustling city streets to serene backyards and even remote forests. The main goal of these projects is to track bird populations, migration patterns, and nesting success. Participants also help scientists understand how birds respond to environmental changes like habitat loss and climate shifts. By submitting bird sightings, monitoring nests, and counting birds at feeders, everyone can contribute to this important work. One of the standout projects is eBird. This platform allows individuals to log their bird sightings anytime and anywhere, creating a vast database of bird observations that scientists can analyze. Another project, NestWatch, encourages participants to find and monitor bird nests, recording data on eggs and young without disturbing the birds. Project FeederWatch focuses on counting birds visiting feeders during the winter months, making it easy for anyone to get involved. Celebrate Urban Birds is another exciting initiative that engages people in urban and suburban areas. It connects communities with birds through fun activities and events. These projects not only provide scientific data but also offer educational opportunities through courses and webinars. Participants can learn about bird identification, behavior, and ecology. When it comes to birding events and festivals, these citizen science projects often play a significant role. They turn bird watching into an interactive experience, allowing birders to contribute meaningfully beyond just observing. Birding competitions can also incorporate these citizen science activities, transforming enjoyment into a shared mission to support bird well-being. For birds, having many human allies watching over their lives means more attention to their movements, nesting efforts, and challenges. The data collected helps scientists understand what birds need to thrive and how to protect their habitats. It's a wonderful way for people to participate in bird conservation by observing, recording, and sharing bird data. In essence, the Cornell Lab of Ornithology citizen science is a powerful way for everyone to contribute to bird conservation efforts. By participating in these projects, you are joining a network of individuals dedicated to understanding and safeguarding the lives of birds. So, whether you are a seasoned bird watcher or just starting, there is a place for you in this important work.